Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the top 7 best fan-favorite motorcycles of 2024. Number 7. BMW R1250 GS. The BMW R1250 GS is a king among adventure bikes, featuring a powerful 1,254cc boxer engine, producing an impressive 136 horsepower. Its legendary reliability and off-road capabilities are enhanced in the 2024 model, which now includes an upgraded full-color LED display. This screen provides real-time updates on ride modes, traction control, GPS, and adaptive suspension settings. Riders enjoy a seamless blend of performance and comfort with BMW's telelever and ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, which allow the bike to handle any terrain effortlessly. Its muscular frame and aerodynamics are crafted for stability, whether you're on gravel paths or the open highway. The R1250 GS is designed with long-distance riders in mind, with a comfortable upright seating position and wide handlebars that reduce strain during extended rides. The engine's iconic rumble inspires confidence, making each ride feel like an adventure. It's a bike that beckons you to explore beyond familiar roads, drawing on BMW's commitment to durability and innovation. The R1250 GS is ideal for riders who crave performance wrapped in sophistication, making it a true companion for journeys that test endurance. Priced at approximately $20,745, it's a worthy investment for serious adventurers. Number 6. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is a popular choice among urban and casual riders thanks to its 689cc twin-cylinder engine delivering 74 horsepower. This bike's lightweight, compact design makes it a thrill to ride on city streets, where agility and quick maneuvering are essential. For 2024, Yamaha has added a new LED screen that displays trip data, fuel range, and customizable metrics to enhance user experience. The MT-07's throttle response is precise, and its ergonomic seating position makes it comfortable for both short commutes and longer rides. The MT-07 appeals to both beginners and experienced riders due to its balance of power and accessibility. It's a nimble and responsive bike, perfect for weaving through traffic while offering enough power for open-road adventures. The MT-07's distinct exhaust note adds an extra layer of enjoyment, giving every ride a unique soundtrack. Fans appreciate its versatility and stylish design, as well as its exceptional value, providing high performance without an intimidating price tag. Priced around $8,199, it's a great entry point into the world of naked bikes, offering a dynamic ride that suits a wide range of riders. Number 5. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 has captivated fans with its classic design and accessible performance. Powered by a 648cc twin-cylinder engine with 47 horsepower, this retro bike offers a smooth, torquey ride perfect for casual riders and retro enthusiasts alike. For 2024, the Interceptor now includes a minimalist LED display that shows essential data like fuel levels and speed, enhancing its usability without compromising its vintage look. The Interceptor's lightweight frame and comfortable seat make it ideal for both city riding and weekend trips. The Interceptor's charm lies in its simplicity and timeless design. Its smooth engine and upright seating offer a relaxed experience that connects the rider to the joy of motorcycling in its purest form. The bike's exhaust has a distinctive throaty note that fans love, adding a touch of nostalgia to every ride. With a price around $6,149, the Interceptor 650 is one of the most affordable bikes that delivers both style and substance, appealing to riders who value classic aesthetics and an unpretentious riding experience. Number 4. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a blend of vintage charm and modern technology. Powered by a 1,200cc twin engine with 79 horsepower, the T120 provides a smooth and enjoyable ride that recalls classic motorcycling. The 2024 model keeps its nostalgic aesthetics, adding a modern LED display that discreetly shows trip information and fuel levels without detracting from its retro look. This bike is all about timeless style and laid-back performance, making it a favorite among riders who appreciate both aesthetics and heritage. The T120's design features, from its chrome details to the stitched leather seat, are a nod to classic British craftsmanship. Its relaxed riding position and balanced chassis make it ideal for city cruising and scenic routes, appealing to riders who value style without sacrificing performance. Fans of the Bonneville T120 enjoy its unique blend of character and comfort, as well as the satisfying growl of its exhaust. For those seeking a bike with both heart and soul, the T120 is a perfect choice. Priced around $12,895, it's a luxurious yet approachable icon. Number 3. Ducati Panigale V4R. The Ducati Panigale V4R stands out as a high-performance masterpiece, boasting a 998cc V4 engine that unleashes a staggering 210 horsepower. This track-ready marvel is designed for riders who live for speed and precision. The 2024 model integrates a sleek, race-inspired LED monitor, displaying essential data, including real-time adjustments for power modes and gear shifts. This is a machine that exudes Italian craftsmanship, with every line and curve built for aerodynamics and agility. The bike's aggressive stance, lightweight frame, and advanced electronics give riders a powerful sense of control and excitement on every ride. The Panigale V4R is built for performance without compromise, with a refined suspension system that provides incredible stability at high speeds. Its exhilarating engine sound, combined with its race-spec bodywork, makes it feel like a thoroughbred on the track. Enthusiasts love it not only for its power, but also for the seamless integration of tech that enables a custom riding experience. It's ideal for riders passionate about racing and speed, offering a unique thrill that's hard to match. The Panigale V4R is priced at $45,495, embodying Ducati's dedication to pure, uncompromised power. Number 2. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin. The Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin is an adventure rider's dream, built for versatility and resilience. Its 1084cc parallel twin engine delivers approximately 101 horsepower, powerful enough to tackle diverse landscapes. For 2024, Honda has enhanced the Africa Twin's functionality with a new LED display that provides trip information, riding modes, and power adjustments. Known for its robustness, this bike combines Honda's engineering precision with advanced electronics, ensuring stability and control across various terrains, from sandy deserts to rocky trails. The Africa Twin's frame is built for long-distance comfort, with ergonomic seat positioning and wide handlebars that allow for easy stand-up riding. It's ideal for adventurers who crave both comfort and durability on journeys that go beyond the pavement. The engine's deep hum is both inviting and reassuring, creating a connection between the rider and the road ahead. This bike resonates with riders who see motorcycling as a journey into the unknown, offering reliable performance with every mile. At $15,599, the Africa Twin remains one of the most accessible yet capable adventure bikes on the market. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 represents a bold venture into the adventure bike market for Harley, with its 1,252cc engine delivering 150 horsepower. The 2024 model features a sophisticated LED monitor displaying ride modes, suspension settings, and navigation tools, merging Harley's iconic heritage with advanced technology. Built for adventure, the Pan America 1250 combines the ruggedness needed for trails with the comfort expected for long-distance touring. The Pan America's wide handlebars and upright seating ensure a comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Its adaptive ride height allows riders to adjust suspension for different surfaces, making it versatile for both paved and unpaved roads. Harley fans appreciate the brand's adventurous leap into new territory, and the Pan America resonates with those who love exploration without giving up the distinctive Harley sound and feel. For riders who want the best of both worlds, adventure and American heritage, the Pan America 1250 delivers a unique, compelling experience. Priced at around $19,999, It's a high-value entry into the adventure segment. Thanks for watching our top 7 best fan-favorite motorcycles of 2024. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.